Italy luxury yacht victims died of dry drowning, first autopsies show. CNN. Initial autopsies of 4 of the 7 victims who died when a superyacht sank in a storm in Italy last month show they died of dry drowning, according to authorities. Below are your comments. The odds of the 2 business partners dying on the same day in different countries by accidents is about 1 in 3.3 trillion. I'm sure it's just a coincidence. Face with rolling eyes. I don't see how a sudden storm can be the fault of any of the crew members. As far as exhausting the oxygen in an air pocket, I realize on TV shows and in the movies this is often portrayed as a means of survival, but in the long term, it is not. Another poorly researched article. The passengers didn't die by dry drowning, they died by suffocation. Dry drowning refers to rare complications that can arise after a person takes in water through their nose and/or mouth, but not into their lungs, causing a spasm that closes the airway. This occurs despite an ample supply of oxygen. Suffocation is the act of breathing oxygen-depleted air caused by extreme CO2 concentrations that can lead to death. Toxicology results on the 7 victims are expected in the coming days. 00. No alcohol or drug tests were carried out on any of the crew members. 00. Well, that seems completely logical. Lynch and his business partner Stephen Chamberlain, who died after being struck by a car in London T. Day the Bayesian sank. That's quite a coincidence. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.